third set numbers and very impressive performance coming from the National University Bulldogs.
Definitely, the tables have turned in the third set. Kung nakita natin kanina maraming service ace itong si Dana Henson, ito naman, panahon naman ng NU para mag-score ng 5 service aces in that last set. On top of that, mas maganda rin ang kanilang pinakita no, pagdating sa atake.
And I believe that Ivy Perez was the key to that huge turnaround para sa National. Of course, she had a lot of help. Andyan si Ordaz, andyan si Singh, and of course, Judge Santiago. But overall, I felt that it was the inspired performance of Ivy Perez that was the game changer para dito sa National U, dun sa nakalipas sa third set.
That's right. Actually, start pa lang nung third set na yun, Coach Ronnie, nakita natin how itong si Perez really displayed some spunk on the court. No? Siya yung first server kanina at gayon din ang kanilang rotation in this fourth set. Looks like Coach Edget really wants to replicate kung ano ang nangyari ng third set.
They want a same set of chorus, ika nga, same set of refrain. While Arellano was able to contain that serve, itong si Ivy Perez, na-block na naman si Dana Henson doon sa kanyang huling palo. Si Jero Sari with a quick. Perez. Turdas. Good coming from Galang. Uy. Yung pagsulong ng laro ni Ordaz naging problema sa depensa ng Arellano dahil para nagkaroon sila ng isa pang Myla Pablo.
Tama. Kanina, nung first two sets, first set, medyo mabagal pa yung ni Ordaz but she found her groove in the second and third, kumbaga nakapag-warm up na.
Saka mabilis na siya kumilos
Really slowly, just really had to build her confidence. At yun nga, itong si Perez talagang binibigyan ng confidence ang kanyang mga attackers, no?
Double block, binasag nitong si Ordaz. 2-point lead for National U. Judge Santiago who served better dun sa third set. Once again, going back to the service line, trying to push the Bulldogs once again to a blistering start laban dito sa kupunan ng Arellano.
We can just imagine kung paano magiging laro nitong Lady Bulldogs if the ate, no, yung ating si Dindin Santiago at saka si Myla Pablo is already back at ganito ang nilalaro ng the rest of the team.
Down 2 sets earlier, now behind by a set after winning the third set. At ito, tatlo kanilang abante. Good dive coming from Arellano. It's all about the effort. At napapalakpak doon si Ramirez dahil nakita niya yung importansya ng hindi matambakan na maaga. You have to solve a lot of problems, lalong-lalo na dito sa front line ng misfit ng National U. Nakakatawa yung reaction ni Ivy Perez. Batang-bata pa pagkatapos hindi tumama sa palo si Dorian. Yung panghihinayang
At syempre, no, bawat pag-set ng bola, bawat pagpunta ng bola sa side ninyo, importante yan. And the last thing that you want is yung error na gagaling sa inyo.
Once again, Ivy Perez continues to build the confidence of Aiko Ordaz. Time and again, she has gone to Ordaz. And this was the Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. Go to Fast LTE for a happy family. 5-3 for National U. National U unbeaten at 2-0. Arellano has an even winless card at 1-1. Ramirez to Salamagos. Yan ang kailangan nila, no? Para hindi mabantayan sa net.
Yun yung nawala rin in the third set. Naging predictable ang kanilang galaw.
Saka tumibay din yung blocking talaga ng Bulldogs sa third set.
Nabuhayan talaga.
Dana Henson, naghahanap ng magic ulit dito sa ating fourth set. Terrell Singh block. Ramirez once again. Setting up Shirley Salamagos, 2 in a row.
So she realized na yung kanilang gitna, kailangan niyang paganahin habang wala si Santiago sa harap.
At si Shirley Salamagos ay pinipitas yung binigay niyang oras to work her body to be a leaner and a meaner machine. Makikita mo mas mabilis siya kumilos. Oops. Paglas punching that ball across. Kala ko mahuhulog pa papasok. If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be shaky. This has been a dogfight all match long. Kasama nga that we're nearing the 2-hour mark dito sa laban na ito. We are in our 4th set. We're seeing once again scores off the blocker.
And we anticipated naman at the start of this set na talagang magiging maganda ang labanan na ito. Siguradong pipilitin ng Arellano University na masabayan ng NU. Pero yun nga, they started off very strong. NU was a bit slow pero nabuhayan in the 3rd set. Now the challenge was put back dito sa side ng Arellano kung paano sila makakabawi agad.
Nakabawi na kanina pero dalawang sunod na puntos para dito kay Icor Das and the rest of the National U. Swings the lead back once again for the Bulldogs. Tubiera was very quiet in the 3rd set, scores her first point. And in the 4th. Meron tayong tinatawag na tahimik ngunit mapanganib.
Ito yun. Ganon.
Ganda naman ng adjustment doon. First technical timeout, Marites Pablo and National U ahead by a single point. Laban dito sa kupunan ng Arellano. Arellano looking to close out this match if they should win the 4th set. Ito naman kupunan ng National U looking to extend this match and send this first game into a decider. Kanina lumamang na itong kupunan ng Arellano pero Ivy Perez making sure that her teammates continue to play inspired volleyball. At silipin muna natin si Miss Miyaka Lim sa kanyang ulat dito sa 4th set.
Tama ka dyan, Coach Ronnie. Itong ang Arellano is playing inspired volleyball at nalaman ko kung bakit. Dahil nga in the house, ang kanilang chairman of the board and CEO na si Mr. Francisco Caico. At nakausap ko nga siya kanina. Sabi niya, he is very impressed with how the girls are doing work here in this game. At sabi nga niya, talagang magandang developmental ito dahil sa preparation nila for NCAA. And syempre, yung ultimate goal nila is makatulong sa national team. Dahil sabi ni Mr. Francisco, sana daw makakita tayo ng legit chief soon na magdodon ng colors ng ating bansa. Meanwhile, sa huddle naman nila, napuna nito ni Coach Robert Javier ang kanilang libero na si John Galang. Sabi niya, hindi yan ang itsura ng gustong manalo. Walang nananalo ng 2 sets lang. So she needs to step it up here in the 4th. Balik sa inyo.
Alam mo, Miyaka at Ann, nakakausap ko yung sister ni Chairman of the Board, Francisco Caico. Taga Batanes sila. Matagal ko nang gustong pumunta sa Batanes. Kaya lang tuwing magpapabook ako, bagyo.
Malas
Mabuti,
naman.
hindi ko sinil yung booking because we were supposed to go to Batanes 2 weeks ago. Eksakto si yung
May
bagyo.
Ang
Oo.
malas naman.
Kamusta
Coach
kayo
Ron?
dyan, Ma'am Malu? Kamusta ang mga lobster dyan sa Batanes?
Bisitahin ko daw sila soon.
Talagang ko yan, nasa bucket list ko yan eh.
Oo, I always see photos at
Oo.
napakaganda talaga.
Bagamat takot po ako sa tubig, lalakasan ko na yung loob ko, makarating na ako sa Batanes. Tubiera scoring for Arellano. Ang kaibahan sa 3rd and 4th sets, mas maaga yung pagbangon ng Arellano rito. This Ultrafast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Multira, the Ultrafast LTE for a happy family.
Alam mo, Coach Ronnie, kanina sinasabi natin, this game, by virtue of the team standings, lamang ang NU and sila yung favorite team, but nakita natin lumaban ng Arellano. I'm looking at some numbers now. At ito, halos pantay na rin talaga. Ang Arellano University has scored 35 attack points throughout the sets, NU with 39, parehong teams with 5 block points each. Pero kung saan lumamang ang NU, ay meron silang 9 service aces so far in this game. At nakita natin most of those in the 3rd set.
And I also believe, Ann, that nung naibaba nila yung unforced errors na nanganak sa 16 sa first set, they became more competitive. and they became more efficient. At maski mataas yung kanilang total, karamihan nga ron nangyari dun sa first set. Ngayon naman ay mas naiayos na nila. Set coming from CJ Rosario. Has got her 2 straight points para dito sa Arellano at magpapalit muna si Coach Obet Javier. Milet Pabayad. Pumasok kanina doon sa set. Hindi umabot. Service error para kay Ivy Perez.
Itong ating mga guest players for Arellano University. Siyempre may konting adjustment din dyan, Coach Ronnie, dahil ngayon nagiging role players sila, whereas siguro what they're used to is yun nga, starters.
Sila. Sila ang go-to.
Tama.
Ivy Perez going to Jaja. Let's try to salvage that last play. Sige Rosario, magpapahinga muna. Let Pabayad, papasok muli. 12 points para sa National U. 11 para sa Arellano. National U nasa Sampaloc. Arellano University nasa Mayliganda. Daddy Santiago, napakataas. National U, lamang ng isa. Urdas. Sumabit.
Pero nakikita natin si Urdas talaga, no? Meron na. At saka she varies her attacks
Hindi
ngayon.
na nag-iingat.
Oo, hindi na nag-iingat. In that instance, nakita niya, may opportunity tapikin lang yung bola. Talagang paltok lang.
Ay, mababa. Alam mo, Ann, siguro parte na rin ng readjustment ng coaches sa mga practices. Pag pumalo ka, kailangan yung pigil ng momentum mo ngayon, di ba? Dahil napakahigpit, sumayad ka lang, tatawagan ka talaga. The official outfitter of the Shakey's Binig is Axel. Let Mabayad first time to serve in this match. Boy.
No defense para sa Lady Chiefs.
Nabutasan sila ron sa dulo.
Alam natin yung pressure na binigay ni Coach Obet para sa kanilang libero na si Galang.
Kailangan, pero mahusay talagang maglaro yan.
At very important naman talaga, palaging sinasabi, di ba? Defense wins games.
Correct.
That's why a lot of pressure para sa backline nitong Arellano.
Kaya ka nga special player, Kaya ka pwedeng pumasok at lumabas at any given time.
Napakahirap ng training
hirap
yan.
Hirap yan. And that also made the game more exciting.
Yes.
No? Rally system, the advent of the libero. Isa na ang abante rito ng National U. Perez to sing. Oh, solid yun. Ramirez, oops. Galang, Aganon, good drop. Pancake, dapat para dito kay Ordas. Ramirez to Salamagos. Pero Salamagos has scored at least 4 points off the quick.
Very high percentage dito sa ating latter part ng game.
Sakto, no? Sweet spot.
And earlier, meron siyang dalawang magkasunod na puntos din.
Tama.
Wala sa kanilang middle play.
Dana Henson. Small, but terrible. Pero sa the back set for Ordas.
Oh, look at that.
Galing pumalo ni Ordas.
At ngayon talagang hinahanap niya kung saan niya gustong dalhin.
Yung laro niya last Saturday and a week after, which is today, is a contrast of night and day. Ngayon, very sure of herself. Pati yung placement, pati yung lalim.
Maybe this is all she needed, that she'll be left with no choice. Kailangan niya maglaro ng maayos dahil wala si Pablo at si Santiago.
At umayos ng gusto ang laro ng National U, dropping the first 2 sets, winning the 3rd set, staying ahead here in the 4th set. Dito sa ating second tactical timeout, Coach Obet Javier trying to just restore sanity dito sa kampanya ng Arellano. Samantalang si Coach Ejet Mabayad naman para sa National U, quietly, just a silent voice dito sa mga balikat ng mga Bulldogs.
Right now, itong si Coach Obet giving very specific instructions sa Lady Chiefs. And yung isang pinaka-importanteng kailangan nila ngayon ay kailangan nilang gawin ngayon ay idikit ang kanilang score, wag palayuin ang NU.
At abangan po ninyo bukas. Isang koponan mula sa Batangas, ang UB. Laban sa isang koponan mula sa Katipunan, ang University of the Philippines. UP, 1-1. University of Batangas, 2 ang pagkatalo. Vultas has been an X factor for Coach Ejet Mabayad. And together with Miss Ivy Perez, they have changed the course para dito sa National U. Vultas serving to Lea Ganon na Ganon. Pusay. Wala lang.
Experience. At walang masyadong reaction.
Yun ang gusto ko sa kanya eh.
Simple lang.
Angelica Legacion will be giving Ramirez a spell. Samantalang itong si Lea Ganon will also be being subbed by Elaine Sagun. 15 serving 16. Designated server, Angelica Legacion for Arellano. Nice floater coming from Legacion. Perez versus Salamagos. Sagon, difficult angle. Oh, nice. For Elaine Sagon. Hirap nun ha, walang buwelo.
Pero nagawa ng paraan. Yun naman ang sinasabi ng mga coach, huwag kang mamili ng set kahit na hindi gaanong maganda. You have to make sure that you put the ball over.
Nicasa is the official ball of the Shakey's Billy. Legacion going to a different angle.
Iniisip ng Lady Chiefs, hindi na pwedeng umabot ng 5th set at magiging delikado pa dahil mas maiksi ang 5th set.
16-14 kanina. Second technical timeout para sa National U. 3 straight points para dito sa Arellano. Better service reception. Perez. To sing over Cooks. Biggest lead of the fourth set para sa Arellano. Pushes the hand of Coach Ejet Mabayad to call ceasefire.
Kayo tatlo mag-receive. Ano to? Ay ko, buha ka rito. Ikaw ang tinatarget dyan. Susugod dyan. At saka...
May dalawa tayo. Tara, naiwan tayo. Ako isa. Ako po yan natin.
Buha, basta. Huli mo, bumataas ka.
Sorry po, ano? Ako na lang. Bayan nyo!
Sana matapos na ang bagyo para makapunta na ng Batanes.
Excited na si Coach Ronnie.
Oo. Sana matapos na ang bagyo para sa National U. Ang hagupit ng Arellano ay patuloy. Ultra fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999. Excellent timeout coming from Coach Ejet Mabayad. Freezing itong si Angelica Legacion doon sa kanyang huling serve. At ito na. Ito na yung mga tinatawag nating duluhan. Baga sa bilyar eh, heel to heel.
Yep. At ang maganda rito sa rotation ng NU, ang kanilang top scorer na si Santiago. 20 points na sa larong ito. Nandito ngayon sa front line.
That will be 2 points given up by Arellano. Coach Obet Javier saying, di bale, isang receive lang. 18 all, fourth set. Closing out time for Arellano. Looking to extend ang National U. Sagon against 2. Sagon, binasag ang double block. Napakahirap din ng call ka off the bench, no? Tapos, dikdikan.
Iba yung pressure na maglaro ka ng parang ilang set na yung
Oo,
ilalaro
kaya
mo.
yung mga players na nasa labas, they always have to stay connected.
And
Diba?
on top of that, kapag minsan may mga timeout, mapapansin natin yung ibang players tumatakbo dun sa sidelines.
Kailangan. Like ka mainit. Sagon again. Nakalusot laban kay Jaja. Perez, hiningi ni Singh. Cross-court cover ni Dana Henson. Nandoon, pero sumadsad palabas. Kita mo si Singh pag humihingi ng bola, talagang
She'll do what it takes.
may
to
hiyaw
get
na, may palakpak pa. Jordan Singh serving for National U. Legacion back set.
Oh, Tubiera overcooks that one.
Naganap siya ng check doon, pero I thought that set was too low para dito kay Tubiera. 2019, the shoe is on the other foot. National U 2019 ng Arellano. Kanina, dalawa na ang lamang dito ng Arellano.
Oh, Santiago, too eager. Alam niya alam ni Jaja na naunahan niya, nagmamadali.
That's a rare instance na nag-backfire ang pagiging matangkad at mahaba. 20 all, fourth set. Jaja hiningi. Jaja nasapal. Tuwan-tuwa si Lynette Mabayan dahil crucial point yun para dito sa koponan ng Arellano. Talk about a dogfight. Talk about toe-to-toe. 21-20 Arellano, Tubiera serving. Almost an ace for Tubiera. Good block coming from Sagon. Mabayan check. Legasyon going to Sagon. Ivy Perez with a dump. Oh my. Net touch para dito sa National U. Ivy Perez. Jaja Santiago communicating for this next point of attack para dito sa National U. Perez going to Jaja. Good dive by Jelica Legasyon. Enzo is dropped.
Oh! Good
Lunod.
save by General.
Back set para dito kay Sagon. Wow. Sagon and Mabayan. Important points for the Lady Chiefs. Coach Obet Javier pushing the right buttons down the stretch. Timeout for National U.
Ay, backbeat. Huwag naman tayo. Kasi yung plano ng gitna nila, nandun lang. Pagalawin mo lang. Huwag lang kayo. Tumba. Ilikod.
Tarawan ko si
Gege.
Bayan nyo!
One good receive.
Oo. Always starts with a good reception. Tignan natin.
Sagon. Mabayan. This one family in pizza is got to be shaky. But I thought that one important dive ni Jelica Legasyon was very important sa huling puntos nila. Ang hirap nun, ha? Buwis buhay
Tama. And they
para
were
sa
able
isang
to
puntos.
keep the ball alive. Ngayon, tignan natin kung ano yung magiging sagot ng
Wow.
MU. Nadepensahan si
Nadepensahan si Jaja. Tubiera! Oh my goodness.
ball too low. Hindi niya na calculate ng maayos ang distance niya from the net. One of the few times you'd actually see an error from Tubiera.
Eto na. Yung parang may venom na serve ni Ivy Perez. Good reception coming from Galang. Backset for Sagon. General. Sing. Itinaas. Delegasyon. Tinalo. Sagon. Pumasok. Wow. It's more fun in Legarda because they are 3 points ahead.
At talagang nagiging matyaga itong Lady Chiefs. Isa-isa, 1 point at a time.
3 set points. Equivalent to 3 match points para dito sa Lady Chiefs.
The Lady Chiefs, their ability to really manage pressure while
Yung hindi
they're
nararatel, ano?
hindi. Kung ikaw yung NU at nakita mo na naratel yung kalaban,
Nako.
you really pounce on them.
Yes.
But ito, ang hirap dito, kahit na down ng Lady Chiefs, composed pa rin kung kumilos.
And again, Jaja defended. Free ball given up by Galang. Ordas pumalok. Ordas pupuntos. National U, buhay na buhay pa rin.
Alam mo, Coach Ron, tinitignan ko yung naitalang puntos ngayon ni Aiko Ordas. 14 points in this
Wow.
game. I think talagang yun nga, minention natin kanina, this is what she needed to bring back her confidence.
And this is what Coach Obet Javier needs naman on the other side. A timeout to try and freeze itong si Jaja. And likewise, draw up a good point of attack.
Huwag lang susobra, Rhea.
dapat ano sino mo. Simple lang. Dili ka sa kanya. Open mo si Mina. Kaya ang gagawin mo, coach, pilitin mo pumunta ka rito sa harap. Mahina yung bracket ni coach ha. Pero ano lang siya, pag-decoy lang. Dalawang gilid lang. Walang over na bola, paano tayo ha? Isa pa lang ano.
Three match points earlier. Tatapyas ang isa. Jaja to Galang. Ramirez to Henson. Aganon with that slight tip to finish off the Lady Bulldogs, and Arellano escapes in the fourth set. And
Medyo pinakaba sila ng konti ng NU, ano? But itong Arellano University really showed resilience here in this set.
And I thought that one good service reception by Galang enabled the Lady Chiefs to get that ball safely dito kay Lay Aganon, at nagkaroon ng problema si Ivy Perez sa kanilang transition at napatalon si Carino, lumokso itong si Lilet Mabayan. Bakit ka ba hindi? At National University tasting its first loss. Arellano University will tie National U with a 2-1 winless card. At of course, ang ating pong best player na pinili ni Ann Rimulya is with Miss Miyaka Lim.
Yes guys, kasama ko dito ang ating Shakey's best player of the game, Menchie Tobiero, with a total of 13 points. Menchie, ine-expect nyo bang masisweep nyo tong National University? At ano yung ginawa nyo tama in today's game?
Na-expect po namin na may stress at namin sila kasi may nawalang dalawang players sila, si Myra at si Dinkin. Kaya pinagandaan namin, hindi kami naging kampante sa isa. Ginawa namin lahat.
Alright, meron ka bang gustong batiin dyan?
Binabati ko po yung family ko, mama at papa ko, at mga kapatid ko. Pati po yung mga Saret family, si mami, mama, si papa dyan, tsaka si John Lee.
Alright, congratulations at dahil ikaw best player, meron kaming Shakey's Pizza for you. Congratulations once again, guys. Back to you.
Thank you, Miyaka, and thank you for continuing to follow us here in the Shakey's B-League. On behalf of Miss Miyaka Lim and of course, Miss Ann Rimulya, this is Ronnie Magsanok saying, maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa Shakey's.